Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It is a hashtag plan fun get things done, another week of course to get around that drawing board and get things done. This is hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all my things to do, but I also find some time to have some fun for myself, of course. Enjoy the little things I like in life, of course. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once. I usually spread it over days, weeks and even months, but I always find time to give myself some quality time to look after myself. And I do have hobbies that I enjoy doing very much, and if I did let all this cleaning and errands and this and that and the other take over my life, I wouldn't have time to do that. So that's why I have decided to keep it in a planner and make sure that it is done. Not every time it works out in my benefit, but most of the time it works for me. Personally speaking, it works for me to have it down in my planner or notebook or whatever you would like to use to get everything out of your brain onto paper and to see what you have there and then prioritize, take it one day at a time. If it does sound like something that you might be interested in, all you have to do, as I said, is get yourself a planner, a notebook, just brain dump everything that you've got to do, and then you categorize everything and prioritize everything. And most of the time you'll be tweaking constantly anyway, because nothing isn't set in stone. It's always subject to change, and at least you will have a map that can guide you. I'm speaking for myself. This is what hashtag plan fun get things done does for me. It's a map where it guides me, and I always refer back to it when I'm stuck and I think, oh, I stand there in the middle of the room and I'm scratching my head and I'm thinking, what did I have to do today? I come back to my map and I see what I've got to do. My hobbies are dance routine that I'm doing, and that's going really well. I listen to music, favorite podcast. I take a nap if I want to. I paint my nails. I go to the salon and have a regular pedicure, and I just don't stress out. I just do my best to do my best, and that's it. So if it's something that you are interested in, all you have to do is upload your video and also just hashtag plan fun get things done and tag me in your title, and that is that. You will see how much it really helps to get it down in black and white and take it from there. So I am planning what I have planned from, let's see now. Let's see. From today the 13th up until Sunday the 19th of October. My oh my, isn't the time running fast? But anyway, it's here. I've got my zone 4 this week. I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone method, and that works really well for me. So it's zone 4 this week. But for all the new subscribers, thank you very much for coming along and subscribing to my channel. I do usually reiterate every week what I do. It might sound as though I'm repetitive, but it's worth my while, because I know a few of you have emailed me and asked me, oh, blah 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 blah, and I'm glad to just let you know every week what I do, because I do have 1 or 2, sometimes more than 4 or 10 subscribers a week. So that's why I do like to go over everything and show you what I do on a weekly basis. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away all the clothes that I washed and dried the day before. Now Monday, Wednesday and Friday again I take my walks. Well, every day, let's just go back a bit. Every day I take a walk, but on a Wednesday and on a Saturday I take a long walk. I joined a walking group local to where I live, but it's finished now for the season up until spring. So I used to do a long walk with them, but now I'm implementing it into my schedule now. I'm gonna pretend like I'm still doing that walk. So I do a long walk on a Wednesday and a long walk on a Saturday, but every day I walk because I've got to walk my dog. Some days I walk longer than usual. If he wants to come back home, I normally bring him back and then I go back out and finish my walk. Here's my compulsory weekly chores, and this is the zone chores. So this week, or every week I should say, I do the beds, I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, I hoover everywhere, and I do my budget. I do my budget on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And for the cleaning zone this week is the chest of drawers, the bedside tables, the radiator covers, the sideboards, mantle, mirrors, windowsills and any rugs and carpet. I make sure that they're clean, there's no stains on them or anything, and I get on with that. And this is spread over the days. I don't get all this done in one day, not at all. I do it bit by bit and it works out, as I said, it really does for me. If you would like to ask any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I will be happy to answer any questions you have. I do 30 minutes of ironing as well. I've incorporated that into my weekly chores, so the ironing does not pile up now. So I've just got a little bit at a time to do each week. Thursday night is movie night and I will have a snack of some sort. And then Saturday, because we've gone through Friday already, Saturday I tend to do quite a lot of crafting. I like to spend the whole day crafting actually, but I do take my long walk before I do that. And then what I do now is cook. I usually cook for Sunday and maybe 2 days the following week, just so I have got some, I can just get on with what I need to get on with and not have to worry about, oh, I've got to stand over the stove and cook. I enjoy cooking and stuff, but when I've got the time, when I feel like I need to, let's say, clean my windows, I'd rather clean my windows than stand over the stove and cook. Let's just put it that way. Sunday it's church and I have a foot soak. I also have a foot soak on Wednesday as well. And I've got nothing for next week. Actually, I have henna. I'm hennaing my hair. I think I put a post-it note on there anyway. With my daughter, Dolly, at 11 on Monday. And that's the 20th. I think I did. Yeah. Great. So I look forward to that. And that is it. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. I don't think so. No. It's as easy as that. It really, really is. So if you are interested, you can always email me. My email is in the description below. It is. Or on my about page. Anything you want to ask, just email me. Or leave it in the comments below. These are the 2 washi tapes I used. And all the images are from Pinterest. I love Pinterest, I really do. Because, I mean, in all fairness, over the years, I do have a lot of my planner, my used planners, and I don't know whether I'm going to keep them for next year. I'm contemplating by the ending of the year I'm going to decide whether I want to keep them, the inserts, or just get rid of them. That is why I don't spend a lot of money on stickers for that. I used to, but not anymore. Yeah, so I don't spend a lot of money on stickers anymore, because if I'm going to get rid of them, if I'm going to throw them away, there is no point. I'm just grateful and thankful to all the artists that allow us to use their images for personal use only, not to print and to sell or do what you want to do with them. Nope, for personal use only. I'm very thankful and grateful to the artists. On that note, if you did like this video, I would like to say to you, thank you. And can you give me a thumbs up? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. By the way, if you want to see how I decorated this, do check out my short. It should be up just before this one, I think, or the same time. It just depends. So do check out my short if you want to see how I decorated this, and previous weeks as well. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.